Hi, dear friends, this is our automatic nylon zipper double sliders mounting machine. Why do we recommend this machine for you? Different from the traditional slider mounting way, this machine can mount two sliders at the same time. It has many advantages including small size, fast production speed and simple operation. It is used for top and bottom sliders zipper, double closed, end sliders zipper and double top stop sliders zipper. Traditionally, we mount two sliders by hand or by two machines which needs two tape pulling motors. Currently we just need one machine to mount two sliders at the same time, and need one tape pulling motor only. So it saves factory space and electricity fee. Its output is as high as 1000 pieces for 60 cm zipper per hour. The two sliders nylon zipper produced by this machine can be used for protective clothes, home textiles and other clothes. If you are interested in our machine, please feel free to contact us by email, sales@qlqcompany.com.